In this video now, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create awesome affiliate product reviews from a free copy and paste template, whether this be Clickbank or Amazon affiliate products or any affiliate products whatsoever you want to create a review for. Come to the web page that's on your screen now, and the affiliate product reviews that you can create look like this and this. And this. The affiliate product review template involves you filling out sections of information which include the basic information about the product, some information about the website promoting the product description, your experience with the product if you have any, a list of good points of the product, a list of bad points, a list of alternative products and services, and then finally the part where you create the review. What's great about this review template is it has built-in spin syntax format inside. So every time you click the button down here to produce the review from the template, it's going to be a different and unique output. In addition to that, the text boxes with which you're going to fill out information about the company and the product that you are reviewing and promoting, they support spin syntax as well. The first thing you want to start with is the basic company information. Here you put in the name of the product that you're promoting. Over here you put the name of the product's author or the company name. The easiest way to find that out is scroll down to the next section. Click this link here that says click to look up. Enter in the URL of the website. In most cases, it'll be listed here, the name of the company. If it's not there, you could just use the domain name for that text field. This checkbox here, if you want to link automatically to the product you're reviewing and the product description, click this. I'd recommend that. Open the link in a new window. I'd recommend that anytime you're linking to a website that is not the website that the review is being created on, like it's another website, have it open in a new window. Here you put the affiliate link to the product. This is the link with which you're going to make your affiliate commissions when they click through and purchase the product. Here you want to put the tooltip text, which is the little pop-up text that occurs when you put your mouse over a link. See that right there where it says free tool, found out a website, registered on. That's a tooltip pop-up text. So you enter that here. I recommend filling that out. The next section, this is important facts of the website that owns the product or service you're reviewing. To find that out, again, you click here, do a whois lookup. You're going to have the registered on date. Just copy that to clipboard, paste that in here. Domain expires on, going to be here, and copy that as is. Paste it. Sales page URL. This is the direct link to the website, not the affiliate link. The item reviewed should automatically be pre-populated from when you entered it here. Money back guarantee that the product has. Easily find that out by typing in site URL of the website that has the product you're promoting and writing the review about, and put in satisfaction guarantee. And it should come up. Now, the following sections are product description, personal experience, good points, bad points, alternative products. For these sections, there are keyboard shortcuts that you should take advantage of. For example, if you type in the letters PN followed by a space, the product name automatically gets inserted. And then if you type in CN in space, the company name automatically gets inserted. And then as far as formatting of the product description, the affiliate is output as basic HTML, paragraphs and lists. So if you want to create a paragraph, you type in whatever your paragraph is. At the end of the paragraph, press the Enter key twice. For lists, press the Enter key once for each list item. When you're done with the list, press the Enter key twice. So basically, you press the Enter key twice to separate sections of the product description. I'm going to pause the video right now in the product description and turn the video back on. Okay, I've inserted the product description. Again, for the simplicity of this video, I am not doing any spin syntax, but again, these text fields all support nested spin syntax. They all have a basic built-in HTML editor that lets you insert links, bold text, underline, and italicize text. Go to the next section here where we put in, you have personal experience with the product you're reviewing, you fill this out. If not, click this box here to not include this section in the review. I'm going to include the section. Once again, this section supports spin syntax, has your basic HTML editor, so you can select sections and bold them, create links, underline, and italicize. Next section is a list of the affiliate product good points. You do your list item, press the enter key to go to the next list item, just like in the product description. The same thing applies for the list of bad points about the product. Again, if there are some bad points, put them in. It makes your review look less biased. It makes it look more honest. You're more likely to make a sale if you include one or two bad things about the product than if you don't include any. Unless there truly are no bad points about that product, then I would put in here, there is absolutely nothing about this product you will not like. Alright, I have filled out the list of product good points and the list of product bad points. Again, just like the previous fields, support spin syntax. You can insert links, bold text, underline, and italicize text in both sections. And then the final section is going to be a list of alternative products. This would be a list of products similar to whatever the product is you're reviewing. Again, I'd recommend filling this out because it makes it look like your intentions are unbiased. You're really trying to help the person. And again, there's nothing that says you can't create affiliate links to the list of alternative products. And all fields are now filled out. It's time to create the review. First, select the number of spaces padding you want before each line of review HTML code that's output. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. There's two ways to output the review. One is in regular HTML, where you click this to create the review, double click to copy it to clipboard, and you paste it wherever you want to put it. Could even be pasted in WordPress. Like I said, the underlying code is in spin syntax format, so every time you click this button, the output is different, and the output is going to be significantly different if you spin your content that you put in the text boxes. And then the other type of output is spin syntax. This is where text will be put out in spin syntax, so you can copy this and put it into any program that supports it, such as GSA, Search Engine, Ranker. Whichever output you choose, whether it's regular HTML or spin syntax, you can click this button, which will create a preview. You can see what your review is going to look like based upon the settings you selected. And then if you click this button here, publish this review, it's going to take you to a web page that lists dozens of places that are 100% free where you can post this review online. Thank you for watching this video. Come visit and use this review template. I guarantee you're going to love it.